Welcome to AccuWeb Hosting video tutorial. In the last video session, we tweaked the setting of the user used to make the VPN connection from client or remote machine. In this video session, we will see how to configure a client machine to connect to a VPN server. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's continue the tutorial. For your information, here, we have used Windows 10 as an example. Go to the taskbar located on the bottom of the screen. After then click on the network icon. Select Network and Internet Settings and click on it. Once you click on it, one window will be opened with the name Settings. Go to the Network and Internet session. Select VPN option and click on it. By clicking on it, VPN window will be opened. Click on the plus sign to add a new VPN connection. Once you click on it, one pop-up window will be opened with the name Add a VPN connection. In the VPN provider field, select Windows built-in option. In the connection name field, enter a custom name which you want to set for the VPN connection. It will be used to identify the VPN connection. Here, we have used AccuTest VPN as an example. In the server name or address field, enter the IP address of the VPS or dedicated server on which you have installed VPN. Here, we have entered our AccuTest VPN server IP address on which we have installed VPN. In the VPN type field, select the Point-to-Point Tunneling Protocol (PPTP) option from the drop-down list. In the type of sign in the info field, select the option Username and Password from the drop-down list. These fields are optional. You can also enter the username and password details later. If you don't want to share the credential of the VPN server with your client, then you should enter the username and password details in this window and tick the box Remember my sign-in info. In the username field, enter the username. Here, you have entered that username to which you have given network access permission in the VPN server. Here, we have entered the NIC test in the username field because we have given network access permission to this user. In the password field, enter the password of the user which you have entered in the username field. After then click on the Save button to save the credential of the VPN server in the client system. Once you click on the Save button, the pop-up windows will be closed and the VPN connection will be added. You can see it in the VPN session. Click on the newly added VPN connection. Once you click on it, you will get three options. First one is Connect. This option is used to connect to the VPS server. The second one is Advanced Options. This option is used to edit the VPN connection details such as VPN server IP address, username and password. Third one is the Remove option. This option is used to remove the VPN connection from the client system. Let's try to connect to the VPS server. Click on the Connect button to connect it. Once you click on it, the connecting process will be started and it will take a few seconds to complete. Once it is connected, you will get a connected message below the name of your VPN connection. That's all. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to configure a client machine to connect to a VPN server. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have the access of PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.